and WWE to get back because this sledgehammer is one of one. And
look at our bird, y'all.
He does. All right, we got a deal.
They're having a good old time.
I couldn't be more happy to get that to him. Hey, you're right.
This front area has been done twice, and it looks like it hasn't even been done. Excuse my snorting. I don't want to go out there because then I'll frighten them away. Look how pretty. It's a mama redbird. A bunch of starlings. Some chickadees. We have turtle doves, but I haven't seen them in a while. And some blue jays. This is every day I get to watch this, not just during the snowstorms. Isn't it fabulous? God's creation is awesome. Y'all be safe and may God be with you.